Dear students, today I am going to teach you question number 24 of SEE 2075 Province 3 CP. Okay, and the question is like this: points K, L, M and N are concyclic such that arc KL equals to arc NM if the chords KM and LN are intersected at a point P, then prove that area of triangle KPL is equals to area of triangle NPM, and another again chord KM is equals to chord LN. These two things we are asked to prove. Okay, so this is a mixed type question, circle also and then area also. Both chapter has been mixed here. So we have given K, L, M, N concyclic point such that KL equal to NM. Okay, let us make circle first of all. Let us make the figure and then write down given to prove. Okay, that will also give you 1 marks. Okay, now let us draw figure first of all. First of all, let us make one circle like this. Okay, in this circle we have given 4 points K, L, M, N. Suppose K is here. Here is a point, that is K, and here is a point L, and another point here M, and another point is N here. And we have given that KL, this arc KL is equals to MN. It is given to us. Okay, and then now let us join. You will get a cyclic quadrilateral like this. If you join K, L, M, N serially, you will get a cyclic quadrilateral, concyclic points. If you join, you will get cyclic quadrilateral like this. Now then KM and NL intersect at P, it is given. So we have to join this also. KM and NL intersect at P. It is given that this point is P, it is given. And we have to prove triangle KPL. Look at here, KPL, this triangle, see, look at here, I will say it, and so this triangle is equal to triangle NPM in area. Area of these two triangles, shaded triangles, are equal. That we need to prove here. Okay, first of all, and then after that arc, this again, see, NL equal to KM. This chord and this chord, they are equal. That also we need to prove. So let us write down given here first of all. Given is in figure we have given that KL, arc KL equals to NM, it is given. NM, arc NM given, and then another what is given? KMNL, KLMN, KLM and N are concyclic. Only this was given. These are concyclic points. This arc equal to this arc. Only this was given. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to prove. Number 1, we need to prove that area of triangle NPM and KPL is equals to area of triangle NPM. Number 1. And number 2, we have to prove chord KM, this line, this diagonal and this diagonal is equals to chord NL. These two we need to prove. Okay, construction not required here. directly we will start proof. Okay. Okay, for proof, let us divide this entire answer sheet into two columns, one for statement and another for region. Okay, now let us start statements, regions, statement and regions. Okay. So now here we have given that this arc equal to this arc, KL equals to here n1, number 1, we can write the same thing. KL, arc KL is equals to NM. It's given to us. Let us write down given. Okay. Now in number 2, what we can write in this arc, look at here. In this arc, one angle, see this angle has been formed. And in this arc, this angle has been formed, see. So this angle and this angle, they are equal, isn't so? So we can write angle on arc KL, KML, like this. KML is equals to angle in this arc NM, NKM. NKM. Okay, number 2, at the region, inscribed angles on equal arc are equal. Okay, this is the region number 2. Now in number 3, what we can write, if these two angles are equal, look at here, if these two angles are equal, then these two lines are parallel because these two alternate angles are equal. So we can write NK parallel ML. So we can write NK is parallel to ML. So being alternate angles equal. Okay, now number 4. If these two angles are equal, we got these two lines parallel. Now, if these two lines are parallel, look at here, these two in figure, let's see, these two lines are parallel. If these two lines are parallel, then the area of triangle MKL, see, this triangle KLM and NLM, they are equal. So we can write like this, triangle KLM is equal to triangle NLM in area. They are equal in area. Why they are equal in area? Because they are standing on same base and between same. They are standing on same base ML and between same parallel lines NK and ML. See, the NK and ML, they are parallel. So these two triangles are standing on same base LMC, LM both, LM, and between same parallel line, these two lines they are. So their area should be equal. Now number 5, see, after this what we can write, from both of these two triangles we can subtract, see, from this triangle also let us subtract PLM, and from this triangle also PLM let us subtract. So what we can write, triangle KLM minus triangle PLM equals to triangle NLM minus triangle PLM. Subtracting triangle PLM both sides. See, in both sides we are subtracting PLM. Here also we are subtracting PLM. Okay, if you subtract PLM, then the remaining part will also be equal, isn't so? So what are the remaining parts? Let's see in the figure. If you look at figure here, see, this triangle equals to this triangle. We are subtracting this down, means the shaded part are equal. So KPL equal to NPM. So number 6 we can write. In number 6, triangle KPL equals to triangle NPM in area. Number 6, whole part exam. Now, first part has been proved. The first part has been proved. Now, second part, chord Km equal to chord NL we need to prove. So, to prove this one, see, we have already got this arc equal to this arc already. It is given here in number 1 we have written. Now, can we add LM both sides? Here also LM, here also LM we will add here. So, we can write like this. Number 7, KL plus LM equals to NM plus LM. So number 7, adding arc LM both sides in number 1, in statement 1. See, in this statement KL and NM are equal here, so we are adding LM both sides. Okay, we are adding. So number 8, if you add is KL and LM, see, KL plus LM will be KLM. So we can write here arc KLM like this is equals to, now again see KLM, now NM plus ML, that is NML. NML. These two arcs are equal. So here number 8 also, see, this plus this we are getting this one, this plus this we are getting this one. So this is whole part exam. Now number 9, we have got two arcs are equal. See, so which arcs are equal? This arc is equal to this arc. So in this arc, this is the chord. On this arc, this is another chord in this arc. If the arcs are equal, then their corresponding chords are also equal. So we can write Km equal to NL. So number 9, Km is equals to NL. This is chord, okay? Here also chord you can write. Chord Km equals to chord NL. Why it is equal? So corresponding chords of equal arc are equal. Okay, in this way both statements we have proved. So you can close these columns and write down here, hence proved. Okay, thank you for watching this video.